Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you something I unboxed already because my little sister destroyed it. And this is thing, and also you guys rate my haircut 1 out of 10. See, because it looks fantastic for me, so rate it 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. If it's a 10 out of 10, like this video. If it's like 5 out of 10, like, subscribe. And let's open this. It was my sister who ripped it. And let's open this thing. This also says on the packaging, it's Puppy Love Candy. It's Puppy Love 2 with candy and a surprise. And let's see what kind of... Why can I not open this stupid thing? Why can I not? Okay, you have a very gentle... That was easier. Ooh. Choose inside here. Have you ever guys gotten this? Okay, it looks like there's dog bones, although I'm not a dog. Probably candy. I'll place that over there. And I got a Dalmatian. I can get a Chihuahua, a Pug, a Dalmatian, and other else I do not know. And I got a Dalmatian. Look at this dude. What should I name him? I'm gonna name him Jeff. I'll name this little cute dog, Bob. Yeah, that's a good name, Bob. I'm gonna name him Bob. Bob the dog. That's it, actually rhymes. And it says, adopt me. Please adopt me. And it says, this puppy belongs to me because my little sister destroyed it. And I'm gonna see how these dog treats taste like. Is it candy or is it for this dog? I think it's candy, no? This candy's like mid, right? 5 out of 10. I'm gonna send these treats. Or candy, or whatever you wanna call it. It's a 5 out of 10. No, not good for me. No, this is not good. It's just not good. And there's something else inside that I cannot reach. What is this? Dalmatian, elegant, gorgeous. Dalmatian is sleek, which I got. And affectionate and tireless. They have high levels of energy and stamina. The puppies are born without spots. They develop as they get older. If I gotten a Chihuahua, it will be frothy and spirited. The Chihuahua is playful and cheeky and outgoing. Although there are small size, again, they believe they are a big dog. Their size is no indication of their enormous charm. I wanted a Chihuahua. That's my thing. Okay, I think that's it. These candies, no. It's 5 out of 10. These will suck. But I love this cute dog. His name is Bob. As I already told you guys, his name is Bob. His name is Bob. Okay, guys. See you later in the next video. Peace.